cashing out those coins, transferring Bitcoin from Cash App to your bank account. Ever dabbled in Bitcoin but now need that cash back in your hands? Maybe you've been using Cash App to buy some dips and finally want to see some green in your bank account instead of your phone screen. Whatever the reason, transferring Bitcoin from Cash App to your bank account is a straightforward process, but there are a few things to consider before you dive in. So, before we jump into the how-to, let's rewind a sec. Bitcoin, Cash App, bank account. How do these things even connect? Cash App isn't exactly known for traditional investing, so what gives? In a nutshell, Cash App allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin directly within their app. It's a convenient way to get a taste of the cryptocurrency world without needing a separate exchange. But Cash App itself isn't a bank, it's more like a middleman. You can't directly transfer Bitcoin out of Cash App and into your savings account. Instead, you need to sell your Bitcoin for regular dollars, USD, within Cash App, and then transfer those dollars to your linked bank account. It's essentially converting your cryptocurrency back into fiat currency, government-issued money, that you can spend. Alright, now that we're on the same page, let's get down to business. Here's how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to your bank account. Step 1. Open the Cash App and navigate to your Bitcoin. Fire up your Cash App and tap the familiar green money icon on the bottom center of your screen. This takes you to your Cash App balance. Along the top bar, you'll see a tab that likely says USD by default. Tap that and switch it to Bitcoin, BTC. This changes the display to show your Bitcoin holdings instead of your regular cash balance. Step 2. Sell your Bitcoin. Now you're staring at your precious Bitcoin. Time to convert it into spendable cash. Look for a button labeled Sell or something similar. Tapping this will bring you to a screen where you can choose how much Bitcoin you want to sell. You can either enter a specific amount in Bitcoin, BTC, or a dollar amount, USD, you want to end up with after the sale. Step 3. Review and confirm. Cash App will show you the current exchange rate for Bitcoin to USD. This rate fluctuates constantly, just like any other currency exchange. Make sure you're happy with the rate before proceeding. Once you've confirmed the amount you're selling, you'll likely need to enter your PIN or use fingerprint verification for an extra layer of security. Step 4. Transfer the money to your bank account. Now that you've successfully sold your Bitcoin and have some USD chilling in your Cash App, it's time to move it to your bank. Look for a button labeled Withdraw or Cash Out. This will take you to a screen where you can choose the amount you want to transfer and your preferred transfer speed. Standard transfers are free but take a few business days, while instant deposits come with a fee. Cash App considerations. There are a couple of things to keep in mind when using Cash App for Bitcoin transactions. Fees. Cash App charges fees for both buying and selling Bitcoin. These fees can fluctuate, so be sure to factor them in when calculating your final amount. Limits. Cash App has limits on how much Bitcoin you can buy and sell within a given time frame. These limits can change, so check the app for the latest information. Bitcoin basics. Before we wrap this up, a quick heads up for those new to Bitcoin: the price of Bitcoin is constantly changing. This means the value of your Bitcoin holdings can go up or down depending on the market. So, consider these things before you buy or sell. Only invest what you can afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market can be volatile. Don't put in more money than you'd be comfortable losing. Do your own research. Bitcoin is a complex topic. There's a lot to learn before diving in. Don't rely solely on this video for your Bitcoin education. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.